Hey. Come on, welcome to the first day of the biggest bakery industry events of the Philippines. It's the FCBAI Bakery Fair 2025. And with that, we are invited, of course, none other than Miss Rian Ramos. Wala bang sigawan dyan? Pampahype lang. One more time. Let's go, guys! Thank you all for coming. Palakpakan nyo inyong mga sarili. Well, today is the first day of our FCBAI Bakery Fair 2025. And to celebrate with us, we have a special treat for each and every one of you today. Right now, we will be joining, of course, by a Filipino actress, commercial model, singer, host, and race car driver, and now a baker. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Miss Rian Ramos.
Hello? Oh yay, it's
Hi,
on. Okay. Hello, thank you so much, Jelly. Ang ganda-ganda naman ang intro ko na yon. Ikinataas ng value ko yon.
Yes.
Thank you.
Say hi naman to your fans.
Hi everyone. Good morning to all of you. I'm so happy to see you all here. Thank you so much for welcoming a baking enthusiast as myself. Yes, I really appreciate it. Wow, it's a spinning stage.
Yes.
So cool.
This is for you, Miss Rian.
This is very cool.
Yes. And of course, dito naman tayo sa side na to. Hi there, everyone!
Hi everyone! Thank you so much. Oh, I love you too. Thank you. I love you so much.
Okay na. Baka nagtatanong kayo kung sino ako.
I appreciate the support, yes.
Hindi ako yung kapatid ni Miss Rian, ha?
Baka nga malito sila eh.
Baka malito kayo. Ako'y nandito lang, of
course.
Ito
ha, hindi
yes.
Hindi ako yan.
Of course, today, as I said a while ago, today is a very special day. Of course, Miss Rian Ramos will be joining us for a live baking demo, of course, and isa po sa mga talagang pinaka-favorite i-bake ni Miss Rian Ramos ay ang cookies. So, napakaswerte niyo po ngayong araw na ito dahil mapapanood niyo po yan kung paano gagawin ni Miss Rian yan. Live na live. Of course, nandiyan din kasama natin ang kanyang base bake.
Yes.
Ayan. So, base bake. So, nagpe-prepare lang si Miss Rian and then maya-maya uumpisahan na natin ang live demo.
Alright. Let me just... Okay, I'll introduce myself a little bit and how this all happened. Actually, nagkaroon ako ng cookie business by accident. A few years ago, I was super duper obsessed to find the perfect cookie or to be able to create the perfect cookie according to my taste. Taste ko lang naman yon. So, I'm self-taught. I research. Everything that I know is from the internet and from experience. And that's basically it. I never took any formal classes. But luckily, cookies is one of the easier things to make. So, I brought some of my frozen cookie dough. I only opened the... Okay, so I only opened the business in January, and now I'm very happy because aside from delivering some orders that we get online on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, we we also supply some cafes. There are a couple of cafes that we supply now. We supply Encanta in Quezon City and Scout Limbaga, and also The Vibe. There's another one, The Vibe Arcovia. So yes, imagine in my second month of opening the business. So I'm very, very happy and excited about that. And if anyone wants me to supply your cafe, I got you too.
Yes.
So, funny enough, a lot of home bakers, a lot of, you know, your regular cookies are actually round when they're dough. Should I be here? Okay, sorry. I don't want to stop you guys from moving. So cookies are actually round. We're going to put it on a sheet. Ooh, nice. There's a silicone mat. Oh, perfect. Can I get this? Yay, thank you. Sorry, it's my first time on this stage. And then yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Where's the oven, by the way? Ah, there. Okay, will that fit? Yeah, okay. So a little later, alam niyo naman, once I put it in the oven, if you guys have any questions for me as, I guess, a small business owner, malay niyo ako pala yung market niyo.
Parang gusto mo ikot ka niya.
Hello? Yeah. Malay niyo ako pala yung market niyo for your businesses. If you want to do some market research, then ask me anything. Wag lang love life.
Yes. Yes, as Ms. Rian said, if you want to ask any question about baking, feel free to do so.
It's a microwave.
Kaya nga eh.
Yeah.
Ito na nga yung...
Ayun lang. It's a microwave pala. Anyway, let's lay it na lang on a... This looks good.
Ayan.
This looks good.
Ito na naman siya.
Put it here. You gotta space them apart. We have scissors.
Ito, alam mo.
Yan. So, this is actually one of the easiest things to do.
Kaya ka dapat. Kaya pag umabot na dito, babalik siya doon. Kaya na yung gamit nyo.
I prefer it pag straight from frozen and hindi mo na siya i-defrost because that gives me like a thicker cookie. So, let me put that there. Of course, the chocolate side on top para lang it's a little more pretty. Oh, this has circles on it, pero hindi ko nasusundan. Ganyan na lang. Let me space them apart. So I usually do this by dozens, and then I also sell but I don't sell mga single piece. Fortunately, I've partnered with cafes that will sell you just one piece for people that just want to taste it and they don't really want to buy the entire pack.
Miss Rian, meron daw po bang specific size na fit for your favorite cookie dough?
Yes.
Ano po ang size na ito?
So me, I make these in 35 gram measurements or by weight.
Oh.
So for me, I think it's a good enough size that you can have one and still want another one. I really enjoy eating things that are bite-sized. Kasi tuloy-tuloy lang ako pag ganun eh. So I didn't want like a giant cookie na I feel like mauumay ako or something. Ganun.
So once na yung a dozen of dough, pag napasok na po sa fridge, ilang days po ang shelf life nito?
So I suggest to keep it in the freezer and it's good for 3 months after the production date. We'll put the production date on the pack para matansya nila. It's actually good naman for longer but I don't want to recommend it for general safety.
Ayan, finally.
Ma'am, a question. Ano daw pong temperature ninyo pag nag-bake para makuha na oven po ninyo?
Oh, okay. So, napansin ko yung pinaka-universally trip ng tao is, yung pinaka-universally gusto ng marami, yung medyo chewy siya. So, for that, I recommend 160 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes kung naka-off yung fan. Kung naka-on yung fan, pwedeng 10 minutes or 8 minutes tapos na yun. Depende kung gaano kalakas yung fan ng oven nyo. But if you want a super crunchy cookie, then I would even do 200 degrees for 8 minutes kung naka-off yung fan. Kung naka-on, 6 minutes tapos na yun for sure.
Right.
Then it gives you that crunchy outside, which personally is not my thing. I like the chewy one.
Yes, me too.
But a lot of people like that crunchy exterior. Yung loob naman is chewy.
Oh, yun ang gusto ko. Chewy yung nasa loob. Di ba mas masarap yun, guys? O sige, huwag kayong sumagot. Okay. Okay, good.
Actually, yung totoong dahilan kung bakit hindi ako makabake ngayon, hindi ako nagbe-bake pag walang bikini. So,
oh my God. Yeah, actually, yun, gusto ko siyang itanong sa'yo, Miss Rian.
Ay, bake na lang?
Oh.
Okay, sure.
Nag-trending kasi yun, Miss Rian, di ba? Yung outfit mo while baking.
Yes.
Oo, nag-trending yun eh. Kung familiar kayo, i-search nyo lang, Base Bakes.
So actually, mamaya ikukwento ko sa inyo kung paano ako naging accidental business owner of a cookie company. Talagang ginano na lang sa akin ni Lord eh. Hindi ko naisip na ito pala yung gagawin ko sa aking future, pero ayun eh, nalatag na eh. So why not? And I enjoy it. Kasi for me, nakawala siya ng stress.
Isa ko sa mga talagang masugin yung fan. So hindi ko lubos naisip na kayo magiging isang baker. So talagang pinasa ko yung Base Bakes.
Oo eh, napasok siya sa branding ko bigla. Akalain niyo yun.
So sa mga meron dyan bakery, kung gusto niyo magpa-supply, pwede yan. Mamaya, ibibigay namin ng details sa inyo.
Yeah. Or it's also, pwede naman pa isa-isa lang. It's a fun activity to do with your kids. It's one of the easiest things you can possibly bake at home.
Yes.
I'm gonna put this away. So basically, that's it. Space them apart because they will spread. And ako personally, I strongly recommend konting sea salt. I love a little bit of sea salt on the cookie. May sea salt ba tayo? Or any salt? That's fine. I put naman in the dough. So my personal preference is melty chocolate, chewy cookie, and medyo salty.
Yes,
kasi panlaban dun sa chocolate.
One of your specialties sa Base Bakes is yung salted chocolate dip cookies, right?
Yes, the salted chocolate chip cookies.
Yun.
I think I put this na in the oven. Is it there? Or ako Okay, ako maglalagay. Wait lang, guys.
Sige.
Isang mabilisan lang to. And then I'll come back. And if you have any questions for me, I'll be very happy to answer. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna put this in the oven real quick. Yes. Ay, sorry. Thank you.
Bakit nilayo mo kagad yung camera nung ako na inaglakan? Nangigigil ako sa'yo ah.
Ayan, okay.
There you go.
Alright, so while your cookies are baking in the oven, yun, so nakita nyo, ganun lang talaga kasi basically a 5-step process, and that's it. One of the easiest things to do. You just open it. So nagsimula po ito kasi before I took a little break. I moved to New York for a few months, and during that time, I couldn't help it. I would get homesick once in a while, and I would turn to mga comfort foods. And isa sa mga pinaka-comfort food ko is anything with chocolate, especially a cookie. And so, there were so many popular cookie brands in New York, and I found one that was really, really my taste. And I felt that, I don't know, it just made me feel better whenever I ate it. Like, I preferred that I would stack them up and like put a candle when it's someone's birthday or something like that. So it's a cookie cake. And then when I moved back, I couldn't find anything like it anymore. So I researched, and then the pandemic happened. I had so much time at home, and I tried so many different chocolate kinds of chocolate with different percentages of cacao and cocoa butter and so many different kinds of flour. And then I found the perfect mix for myself kung paano magiging foolproof na magiging chewy yung cookies. So may mga daya yan eh. Alam niya ng mga baker na there are certain steps you can take to ensure na mas magiging chewy ang cookies. Yung mix ng gluten in the flour, ganon. I started baking for my friends and I would say yung pinaka nag-encourage sa akin na yung pinaka nag-encourage sa akin na gumawa is si Doc Vicky Bello. So binigyan ko siya one time, tapos hindi na natapos. Para bang every time I see her, every time, like even if it's her birthday, I give her flowers, she'll say, "Yeah, I want the cookies eh." So I would always bring hanggang, sabi niya, pwede bang gawin mo na tong business kasi nahihiya na akong mag-request. Sabi niya, just, I'll order. So I would get, ganun nga, she'll order like 10 at a time, and then my other friends would start ordering 10, 20, 50. So nahirapan na ako. This Christmas, so nung pandemic pa yun matagal ko na itong ginagawa, itong recipe na to. And then this Christmas, binigyan ako ng boyfriend ko ng malaking mixer. And that was the only time that I said, you know what, I'm gonna open this na for other people. Kasi all of my friends are always asking me to make. So I do make naman on a regular basis. But now, I have the opportunity to open it to the public, and I have my own staff na din, and they are better bakers than I. So that's who's in charge of making your cookies when you order. And yeah, it's been great actually so far. So nag-open lang kami noong January, and here we are, 2 months later, I'm standing at the biggest baking event in the Philippines. Thank you so much to the Filipino-Chinese Bakery Association for having a humble baker like me present. And I'm also supplying 3 different cafes. The cookies is a show called Sangre, and it's a fantasy show on GMA. It's the continuation of the Encantadia Chronicles. So I'm very excited kasi matagal na akong hindi na fantasy show. Laging drama, ganon. So I'm very excited about Sangre. And I'm also doing some movies. I have a movie coming out this April. Sana po masuportahan nyo. It's called Sinagtala. At ang mga kasama ko po dito is ang mga kasama ko po dito si Glyza De Castro, Matt Lozano, RC Munoz, and Raver Cruz. At isa po kaming banda. Ako yung drummer. Maniniwala ba kayo? Race car driver, baker, drummer. Singer pa. Kayo maniwala. Intro lang yun.
And of course, you are doing a lifestyle magazine show, right?
Yes, I also have a lifestyle magazine show. Pinaka-first episode po namin, oh my gosh, nandiyan na, ang bilis. Pinaka-first episode po namin, this Saturday na po, 11:30 p.m. So, thanks guys!
Okay lang sa'yo, yung sweets yung yung 4 sweets yun, kaya
Sorry.
Okay, sa'yo na
Yes. Ay, oo naman.
Your figure is very sexy. Thank you. Lahat ng mga dito ba? Ito na talaga. It's really hindi ka natatakot na magawa ng
Not at all. You know what? I love carbs. There was a time in my life where I avoided carbs, but I mean, I no longer do that. I absolutely love carbs. You cannot exchange the amount of happiness you get from eating delicious food. And I feel like we can limit ourselves in so many ways, but yung food kasi eat delicious food, you all of a sudden feel like you have a better life than you did this morning.
That's why you're sexy.
Huwag na yung mga ano. Anyway, back, ladies and gentlemen, once again, to all of you participants and attendees, palakpakan naman po natin for joining the one and the only Miss Rian Ramos. And with that, I'd like to welcome the officers to join us here for a plaque of appreciation.
Thank you so much for legitimizing me. Thank you so much. Wow. Yay, thank you. Thank you po mga sirs.
O, palakpakan naman dyan, ladies and gentlemen. Again, we would like to thank Ms. Rian Ramos for celebrating with us for the first day.
Oh my. Miss Rachel. Ay, sorry,
Once again, let's put hands together for Miss Rian Ramos. Thank you very much.
Dapat pala, ang dami kong kinuha.
May tao dito.
Sino yung mga magugulo dyan?